half subtractor. Half subtractor is a combinational circuit, a combinational logic circuit with two inputs and two outputs. Half sub circuit is designed to subtract the value from the given input. So here we are giving two inputs A and B, which is required to subtract. Now this is the basic block diagram of half adder circuits. Now it has two input A and B and two output, difference D and another borrow B out. Now let me see the truth table of this half subtract circuit. So it has two inputs A and B. So there are four possibilities of the inputs. Now let me see, when A and B both are 0, that means input A and B both are 0, that time we will get difference 0 as well as borrow 0. Now when we minus 1 minus 0, the difference is 1 and borrow is 0. Now 0 minus 1 is subtracted from 0, that time we will get difference 1 and borrow also 1. When we minus 1 minus 1, we will get 0 difference and 0 borrow. Now let me see the how to build the circuit to get difference as well as borrow of the half subtractor circuit. Now for that we are using K-map. So it is a very easiest method, and it remove the complication. So for that, for the difference operation, we are taking K-map. So you can see that this is the K-map. And there are two inputs A and B, and the possibility, this is the 0 or 1. The input of variable AB, it may be 0 or 1. So now for this difference, you can see that only once difference D is available at one logic. That means it is 1. When it happen? When A is 0 and B is A is 1 and B is 0. For similarly, A is 0 and B is 1. That time we will get 1 output. So you can write 1 in this here, because for this one A is required 1 and B is 0. So here A is 1 and B is 0. That means that is your 1. Now for similarly this one A is 0 and B is 1. So A is 0, B is 1. So here 1. So now you can we are putting one value in this bracket. Now according from this K-map, we can write the expression, Boolean expression. For that one we require A into B bar. A into B bar plus another require A bar into B. So for the difference for this difference D, we require A into B bar plus A bar into B. That is nothing but it is an exclusive OR operation. So here I can write A exclusive OR B. So similarly, we can find out the borrow operation by using K-map. So here I am taking one K-map. It has two inputs A and B. Now you can see the borrow column. So in this time only one is available when A is 0 and B is 1. So I can put 1 here because A is 0 and B is 1. So it is 1. Now from this K-map we can write the equation. When it will happen? 1 when A bar and B signal is applied. That time we will get borrow condition or borrow output. So here I can write A bar into B. So here we are also getting the Boolean expression for the borrow. Now let me see how to construct the circuits, or how to construct the circuit by using logic gate. So here you can say that for difference we require A exclusive bar, A exclusive B. That means we are taking one exclusive OR gate. It has two inputs and one output. So here we are giving A into B input to this exclusive OR gate. We will get the difference in the output. So here we will get A exclusive bar output. Now for this borrow operation, so you can say that it has two inputs, but they are multiplied to each other. So already we have seen that for the multiplication AND operation is required. So here I am taking one or AND gate, and it has two input A and B. So I am taking one AND gates, but B is directly connected. But we require A bar. That's why we are connecting one NOT gate in the series with the input of this AND gate, which provides input A bar input to this AND gate. So its input is A bar and B, and its provide output A bar into B. It is nothing but the borrow of the half subtractor circuit. Now this same half subtractor circuit we can draw or we can arrange by using only AND gate, OR gate and inversion gate. Inversion, it is nothing but NOT gate. So already we have seen that it's require A into B bar. That means one AND gate is required for to getting A into B bar output, and similarly we also require another AND gate to perform A bar into B performance. So that's why we are taking one inputs. It's require A into B bar. So here A is directly connected, but one NOT gate is connected in series with this B input, because we require B bar for this AND gate. So here it provides the inputs available at this AND gate 1 is A and B bar, which provides output A into B bar here. Now next we require A bar into B. So here we are taking another AND gate. So B is directly connected to this input of this AND gate 2, but it requires A bar. That's why here we are also connecting another NOT gate is connected in series with this input, which provides output A bar. So the output of this AND gate is A bar into B. So now we are getting A into B bar as well as A bar B. So now add to each other. So that's why I am taking one OR gate which provides summation operation, and this the output of both AND gate is given to the AND gate, which provides output A into B bar plus A bar into B. It is nothing but the difference of half subtractor circuit. Now what about this borrow? So here you can see that we require A bar into B. So here you can say that the output is A bar into B. It is directly taken out for the output borrow.